The Economic Development Center here in Citrus County saw a need to have skilled workers for manufacturing. And so they talked to the director of the school at the time and said that we need to have a program to prepare students for manufacturing. The students learn skills in hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical circuits, electric motors. They learn how to program a robotic arm, and we also have small robots that they program. They learn programmable logic controllers, CNC, along with industrial safety. We do some math, intro to manufacturing, just a lot of things. In addition to the manufacturing, the students can also use the course and or the certification to get credit hours towards an engineering technology degree. The equipment and the LearnMate modules help the students to prepare for the MSSC certification by giving them the book knowledge and then the hands-on experience with learning everything. I use a lot of the LearnMate modules for the safety and intro to manufacturing and the math, but then I also have several trainers. So I have the pneumatics trainer, the hydraulics trainer, I have a mechanical workbench, I have a scorebot for robotics. I also use the robotics engineering curriculum. I also use it for electrical circuits and electric motors, and I have 2 CNC mills and a CNC lathe.